Hi everyone, welcome to Foodie Vibes. Today we'll be making Lahori fish fry recipe. As you can see here, I have already washed and cut the fish to medium pieces. Next, in a large dish, we'll combine the ingredients. First, we'll add some gram flour, season with some turmeric powder, Kashmiri red chili powder, dry fenugreek leaves, cumin powder, coriander powder, garam masala powder, salt and pepper, and mix all together well. Next, I'm adding some Carom seeds which I blended into powder. Then we'll add some lemon juice, some garlic paste, and finally around 2.5 tablespoons of water. Then we'll mix all well until we get a nice paste like this. If you see the consistency is too thick, you may add some more water. Next, we'll get all the fish in the mixture and just spread the paste on every part of the fish. Finally, we'll drizzle some oil and cover with a cling film and let marinate for at least 1 hour. Now for frying, I have already heated a large pan and will shallow fry the fish on medium-low flame 5 minutes each side. In the meantime, we'll prepare our chutney. We'll blend some tomatoes along with some Tamarin paste, salt, cumin powder, lemon juice, chilies, and some fresh coriander and mint leaves. Next, we'll turn the fish to the other side and let fry again for 5 more minutes. And that's it, we are done. This is my recipe of Lahori fish fry in a more easy way, along with this tempting chutney and with some fried wedges to accompany the dish. Hope you have liked my video. For more, please share, like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.